The Great Gatsby is a story from the thrilling 1920s. It is about Jay Gatsby, a wealthy man in love with Daisy, embodying his elusive dreams. In Blue Gardens, people come among the whispers, champagne, and stars. This is Nick Carraway, our main character. He's a young guy from the Midwest who moves to New York City to work in the bond business. He rents a house in West Egg, Long Island, which is next door to a big mansion owned by a man called Gatsby. Gatsby is famous for his huge, fancy parties. He arranged them hoping to get noticed by a woman, Daisy, who he really wants to show up at one of his parties. Gatsby and Nick become friends, and Gatsby invites Nick to a party. This leads to Nick bringing Gatsby and Daisy back together. They fall in love, but it's a complicated love. Daisy is finding it hard to leave her past and her current life with Tom behind. The tragic event happens when Daisy, driving Gatsby's car, accidentally kills Tom's secret lover, Myrtle Wilson. Because of his deep love for Daisy, Gatsby bravely takes the blame. The story takes a turn when George Wilson, Myrtle's husband, is tricked by Tom into believing that Gatsby is the killer. Upset and misled, George makes a harsh decision, killing Gatsby by shooting him with a gun, and then he shoots himself. Gatsby sadly dies in the end. Very few people, including Nick, come to his funeral. This is very different from his usual big, fancy parties. The Great Gatsby talks about important ideas like the American dream, looking for love, and how money can cause harm. It shows a world where people care more about money and status than being good. Gatsby is always trying to win Daisy's love. This is how hard it is to achieve the American dream and how this chase leads to his ruin. Daisy is a dream that he can't reach, showing the emptiness of this dream. The book shows a world where people always want more and are always let down. It talks about dreams as if they're boats struggling against the stream, always being pulled back to the past. This shows how hard it is to catch your dreams and how being obsessed can cause harm. So, The Great Gatsby is a strong criticism of the American dream and the decline of a world that's obsessed with money and is hollow in reality. And there you have it, folks, a whirlwind tour through the pages of The Great Gatsby. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment below with your thoughts on The Great Gatsby, and subscribe to this channel for more book summaries, reviews, and literary adventures.